Okay, now for this one, I'm going to do the same thing. I've got enough room to pull that out, reach in there, put these on, put the screws on. Okay, make sure you get these in the rail. Do a good job. Jeez, this was hard to get because I'm right-handed and I'm right up against the wall, but I have it, and now I'm tightening it up. It's gone voink like that. This one's going down this way. Just kind of lining up the box to where my outlet cover was before. And then you can try your cover plate on there and see if it's going to cover, and if you have to make some adjustments, you can. Because see, if you take this off and you already see where the old cover plate was, you want to get the existing cover plate back on there, you know, to cover the groove. I've got that snug in there. Just make sure you don't over tighten it. Okay, these tabs are only plastic. Okay, so if you do it too tight, you could bend the box right inside the wall. I mean, it's not the worst thing that's going to happen. Yeah, I'm looking at that, and it looks like I'm right on the edge where I should be. And let's see if I can do this upside down. Make those, make them snug. Last thing you want to do is put that in crooked or something, and you think, oh, I'll just ram it in there. I got it going, but if you don't have it perfect, I'll tell you, you might break it off. I've actually done that before. I thought it was going to go, and I started screwing it, and it broke off, and oh, I had a heck of a time trying to get that threads out so I could put a new screw in. Okay, that's snug. Everything looks fine. I can plug this back in. Let's see, get the breaker turned back on. Check this out. I'm going to turn the timer. Click that on. The power's on. I can reach up here and turn the air conditioner on at the power, and kaboom, it's working. If I leave it right there, see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 hour. Okay, and 1 hour is going to shut off. Or if I don't want to wait that long, I don't like turning this back by itself, because after a while this is only plastic and you could start tweaking this. I just go up here and turn the power off, or if you have a handheld remote, you know, just going to turn the power off. See? And this timer will go off automatically. Now for the next hour, I can keep using this control because there's power to the air conditioner. After this goes off, okay, after that timer clicks off, that means there's no power to the air conditioning outlet. And then I cannot use the power button to get this on until I turn the 4-hour timer back on. And incidentally, they have 1-hour timers, 2-hour timers, and I think I've seen 6 or 8-hour timers, but not 6-hour, and 10 and 12-hour timers. Like, my word, why would you even want to put a timer for 12 hours on there? My thought is 4 hours should be plenty, you know, for somebody to stay in their condo or whatever before they go out to the beach or what have you. Okay? All right. There you go. You've been watching this video, you know that I've been working on these loose boxes. And here's another cut-in box I have, and I'm going to fix that the same way. If the tab is broken, guess what? I got another one. I can take these tabs off, or if it's just loose, And the tab's still there. I can tighten up the existing screws and suck that back in when I tighten up this screw. Okay, I'm not going to show you how to do that because you already know how now. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.